What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can use a code that is fixed in every page of your website. So what I'm trying to say is, if you check this out, if you see this thing, so it is having a website heading, and there are two nav links. So it is home and contact, and this is the contact page. So if you go to the home page and it is showing this is the home page, only this content has been changed. So if you go to the home page and this is home page, and if you go to the contact page and this is the contact page, only this content is changing here. So these highlighted parts are common in every page of our website. Okay, so if you go to the home, this is home page, and if you go to the contact, this is the contact page. So this is what I am trying to teach you in this particular session. Okay, let me clear all this stuff. We will do it from the scratch. Okay, so let me empty all this stuff so I will explain this. What is this thing? Okay, so our main concentration is about these three files. Okay, so this is our home page and this is our contact page. So and this is the base.html. So in this particular file we write the content which is common in every page. So let's try to write that content. Okay, let's say here we do not add title. Yep. Before assigning the title, I will show you this thing. If you go to the home page and the title is home page, and if you go to the contact page, the title is contact page. So title is also changing. So the title has to be dynamic also. Okay, so for this, to make this title dynamic, so just open your flower pages and inside the percentage symbol just type block title. So this will create a title block, and we have done this block also. So we can use this title block here and here to define our titles. Okay, so let's write the common part here. So the common part is my website heading. So it is showing me welcome to the website. So this is the heading of my website. So and I have to UL part here. So this is the navbar part, and this navbar is also common here. So let's create the navbar here. So UL, and we have LI part. So this one is for the contact. This UL and LI here use it to create links. So here I have to reference. I have to add an anchor tag. Fine. Now we done the common part. We have write the common part in our website. So let's save this thing and refresh this page, and there you go. So we have home and contact. Let's style these things. Okay, we have to align all these particular items to center, right? So this will align items to the center. Okay, so we have to remove these dots and these underlines also. So for this I will create a style tag and type list style type, and it has to have sent to none, and this will remove these dots, and we have to remove these underlines to the LIA. So these underlines are happened when we create any anchor tags. Okay, so for the anchor tag which is present in the LI, we have to remove the text decoration. So this will remove uh, remove the underlines. Okay, so we have to assign these things side by side. For this, upon here we just say display flex. So let's refresh this page, and it is assigned side by side. Okay, fine. And justify content space around and see what's happening. Now you can see there is some space. So I am not teaching HTML part mainly here. So I will go to my next thing. So the content part. So this content has to be also dynamic. So we have to create a block and name this as the content. Okay, and we have also end the block here, and this will create the content block. So we can uh, do the dynamic stuff here. So let's go to the home.html, and here we need not access the HTML templates here. So just we have to extend this base.html. So extension is nothing but we are inheriting the properties of the base.html, right? So just type extends and insert the single quotations. Just type the file name which you want to extend from. So in my case it is base.html. So in the base.html we have a title property, block title, okay, and we have to end this block, and here inside this we have to write the title, home page, and we have another property which is content, block content, and inside this block content we have to write the content which is to be displayed in the page. So I will write this is the home page, and let's save this thing firstly and see. So this is the contact page. Yep, this is the home page. So by default when we run our program it is in the home page, so it is showing this is the home page. So we can actually link it here, which is slash for the home page, and if you go to the main.py, I am created two routes, which is slash is for the home page and slash contact is for the next, which is the contact page. I will define this later. Okay, now and for the contact page we have root of slash contact, so do the same thing here, contact. So this is the contact route, and this is for the home route. Okay, so let's refresh this page, and if you go to this is home and this is contact, which is presently empty. Okay, so do the same stuff here. Fine. For the contact page also change this title to contact, and this is the contact page. Let's save this thing and see. So if you refresh this page, and if you go to the home, and if you go to the contact, so this is the contact page. If you go to home again, this is home page. So this content is changing, and this navbar and this heading, this highlighted part is constant here. So that's it for today, guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.